you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here today. And thank you to all the new subbies for subscribing. Thank you to the day ones for staying tuned in. I really do appreciate all of you guys for helping my channel grow. So today I am doing this fabulous look right here. I really love it. As you saw by the title, I am using the Morphe X Sour Patch collection. I have the palette. As you can see, the palette is very colorful, just like the candies, bag of candies. I have the lip scrubs. They taste good too. And I have the bag of sponges that I didn't even use, and I didn't even use the setting mist because it was behind my mirror and I forgot all about it. So let me just finish my face off with this. Let me see how it's spraying. Oh, it's a setting mist anyway. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells like watermelon. So I just use this on top of the All Nighting Setting Spray. If you want to see how I did this look using the Morphe X Sour Patch palette, then let's get right into this video. So the Morphe X Sour Patch come with two lip scrubs. You have this one, which is blue raspberry, and then this one, which is red raspberry. This is the blue raspberry, and this is the red raspberry. Oh, it smells so good. Look at it. I've never used a lip scrub, so I don't know about a lip scrub. It tastes good though. Would I be using this all the time? No. I guess the lip scrub is supposed to, you know, take off the dead skin on your lip, but I'm gonna go into Gimme Grape, which is this purple one. No, I'm gonna go into Orange Gaze. Then I'm gonna go into Orange Gaze. Let me go into Redberry, which is the red one. I'm gonna go into Lemon Squeeze, which is a yellow shade. Then I'm gonna cut it. So now I'm gonna put the base back on. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go into White Pineapple, which is the nude shade, and just pack that on the lid. Why are my eyes tearing? I do not know. So I'm gonna go back into the P. Louise base and make a shake. I'm gonna go into Gimme Grape. Then Red Raspberry. In the corner, I'm gonna put Lemon Squeeze. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my concealer and make a bottom wing line. Hopefully it comes out right. Then I'm gonna go into Blue Raspberry. Lime Burst, which is the green one.
Sonic is building momentum.
Alright, now that I have what I think that I like, it's kind of different. It's kind of, I'm looking at it, the viewfinder, I'm like, okay, kind of different. So I'm gonna put glitter around this little one right here, and I don't know if I should put some right in the big one. Maybe I will. So I'm gonna use glue. My eyes is tearing, which is annoying. Alright, this doesn't have the gold that I want, so I'm gonna use my Fenty Trophy Wife. Bunky in the casket. This is cute. Oh, yeah. Switch my remote because my TV on. I'm so happy with this look. Ooh. Blush, you know I'm going for my Doja Cat in orange. What is this? The Poppy. Put some color back into my face. I got gloss on my lips. Dang, I really use this Aaliyah one. Like, this is supposed to be a collector's item, and I've been using it like crazy. I forgot I went to put bottom lashes on. Let me see. So I have these Eye Envy, like, and I don't know if I should put 3 there. I'm scared. Nope, they too long. I don't like that. So I'm just set my face. So I'm gonna use my Doja Cat. I mean my BH Cosmetic X Doja Cat. I'm putting Trophy Wife back into the inner corners. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Till next time, bye.